current update on how to increase, that is on how to double your watch hour. Is really working like magic. So I don't know why you've not started. That if you've watched this video, I talked about how you can do it. That is how to double your watch hour by simply reducing the speed rate to 0.25x, right? But in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to calculate the watch hour. By the end of today's video, you'll be able to come to a conclusion on either to jump on this new updates for getting your watch hour faster, or you will just focus on your video, that is be uploading your video. And one thing is that it only takes a viral video, yes, to give you high watch hours of over 500. But do you know that with this simple update that I bring to your table this afternoon, or this evening rather, you will get that watch hour faster, even before 2 weeks. Yes, you get the watch hour faster. So all I just need you to do is to stay to the end of this video, because I'm going to be giving you raw calculations, yes, on how to achieve this. So by giving you the calculation, it will be left to you to know how many people you are going to be sharing your live stream to watch. Okay, so let's go into business. Okay guys, I've done the calculations already in my book, so I'm just going to be reading it out for us. Don't worry, I'm going to be writing the calculations here so that you will get it right. You know, this thing requires live stream. In fact, it's live stream that we're talking about, but I will advise you to, why not increase your live streaming to like 4 hours, because you're going to get a better result when you have like a 4 hours live stream, or even 6 hours. Yes, you can do it. If not, you cannot do this normal talking live stream. Do a silent live stream. Place your phone somewhere in the house that it can be capturing everything going on. Make sure you mute the audio. That is silent live streaming. Yes, then everything in your house. So we're going to be calculating for 2 hours. 2 hours and 4 hours. Yes, let us say you have a live stream that is 2 hours and you have a live stream that is 4 hours. We're going to be calculating how many watch time you're going to get if one person watch the video. So if a viewer watches the entire video, that is your 2 hours live stream. If a single viewer watches it at a normal speed, I'm still going to explain the 0.25 speed. This one is normal speed. At a normal speed, so it's going to be 2 hours is equal to 2 hours, because it's 2 hours, no long calculation. Then if you want to calculate the total watch hours, all you need to do is to multiply the number of view by the watch time. Now let us say for tonight you are sending it to 5 people to watch. If you're sending it to 5 people, it's going to automatically be 5 times 2. Yes, 5 people watching your 2 hours video. That is, they will have to stream it from the beginning to the end, you know. So it will be 5 times 2, which is 10. Only 10 watch hours that you're getting. Then if it is 50 people that you manage to share it to that night, you beg them to help you to watch it. So it will just be 50 times 2 hours, which is 100 watch hour. So you're going to get 100 watch hour. Imagine you gathering a group of people like 50 and sending them your live stream. They should just help you watch it. They should not reduce it, as they should not reduce it to they shouldn't reduce it to 0.25. They should just watch it and go. So you're going to be getting 100 watch hours. Like, which video do you want to even post to give you that watch hour? Unless you have a very good audience retention and God helps the video blows up a little, that is when you'll be able to get it. That is why I said, if you've not started doing this thing, I don't know for you. I don't know unless you don't want to get monetized faster. So we're done with for normal speed. There is no reduction. So now we are going to go to the main cocoa. That is, if a viewer watch that your 2 hours video at 0.25x. So to calculate the watch time, normal, you know that it will definitely increase. It cannot be the same, because it's going to be slow. 0.25x, the video will be so slow. Yeah, so to calculate the new watch time, you're going to divide the original duration by the speed reduction factor. we are not doing science, so let me just explain this big grammar for you. you are just going to divide that the 2 hours. Yes, you divide it with 0.25x. This is the big grammar. The duration of the video, that is the hour of the video, is already 2. So all you just need to do is 2 times 4. Yes, that 4 is the 0.25x that you reduce that video to. So it will be 2 times 4, which is 8. So if one person, if you send out your 2 hours live stream to maybe your brother to watch for you all through the night, so the following morning, if you go to your YouTube studio, the watch hour that you're going to be getting from that video is 8. Yes, there's no two ways about it. Now let us not say if you share it to 5 people. Sorry for the back noise. Now let's say you share the video to 5 people: your mommy, your daddy, your sister, your friend. 5 people. So if 5 people watch that video for you all through the night, it will be 5 times 8. How do we get the 8? The normal video length, 2 hours, times that 0.25x. When we convert it to decimal, it will be 4. So that's how we got the 8. So 5 view times 8 is going to give us 40. So you're going to be having 40 watch hours. Shikina. If you now share it to 10 people, 10 times 8, you're going to be having 80 watch hour. As simple as that, you see. So if God now help you, if God is on your side, you share it to 20 people. 20 times 8, you'll be getting 160. Like, if you have not started doing this thing, don't let me. Just start. So now let's calculate the 4 hours duration. Let us say God help you, you have a 4 hours live stream, and now if one person is watching it, that is watching it on a normal speed, x1, not 0.25x, we are going there. So if one person is watching it on a normal speed, it's just going to be that one viewer times 4. So you're going to get 4 watch hour. Yes, it's as simple as that. Then if 5 people watch the live stream, that's for you, over the night on a normal speed, you're going to be getting 20 watch hour. If 10 people watch it, 10 times 4 is what? 40. You're going to be getting 40 watch hour. So if 20 people watch it, 20 times 4, you're going to be getting 60 watch hour on a normal speed. So now let's calculate the watch hour you're going to get if the video is reduced to 0.25x. So just like as we explained earlier on, if a viewer reduces that your 4 hours live stream to 0.25x, definitely it will skyrocket. You will get massive watch hour. So after you've converted the speed reduction factor, which is that 0.25x, to decimal, you get 1/4. 1 divided by 4 is automatically 4. So what you're going to do now is, since it's 4 hours, 4 times 4, yes, that 4, the second 4 stand for the 0.25x that the person is watching it. Then the first 4 stand for your normal 4 hours live stream duration. So 4 hours times that 4 will give you 16 hours. So if somebody watch your 4 hours video, you're automatically going to have 16 hours from only one person. Now imagine when you share it to 5 people, imagine when you share it to 10 people, imagine when you share it to 20 people. Relax, let's go there. So if you are opportune to share it to 5 of your friends, 5 of your family members to help you stream it. It could be in the daytime, it could be in the night, anytime at all. Because one of my students, she has a friend that work in the bank, so that her friend actually helps her to restream her live videos in the daytime. And sometimes I'm envious of that my students, because her watch hour is increasing. Bro, start doing this. So back to business. If 5 viewers watch that your 4 hours live stream, so it will be 5 times 16 hours. So 5 times 16 is 80 watch hour. I Are you going to start doing this thing, or you still want to wait? Now God helps you, you manage to find like 10 people, maybe you like give them small small change, buy them data to help you watch it. So 10 people now watching that your 4 hours live stream, it will be 10 times 16. Somebody should tell me in the comment section, 10 times 16. 10 times 16, 160 watch hour. That is what you will get. Imagine God helps you, maybe tonight you manage to mobilize 10 people, give them small small change, they should help you watch that your live stream. Or your siblings, some of us we have extended family members, just try and talk to them. Now if you want to go to bed, just this my live stream, please make sure that your phone is charged. And that is all friends. Yes, some of us that have friends, this is an opportunity for you to make use of that your friends well. So if 10 people watch it, watch that your 4 hours live stream, you're going to be getting 160 watch hour. Now if 20 people watch it, you're going to be getting 320 watch hour. And one good thing about this thing is that if one person watch it today, if you still watch it tomorrow, the watch hour is still going to increase. Yes, that is just one good thing. So I believe at this juncture, let me close my book. Now it's left to you. Are you going to start doing this now, or you are still waiting? So if you know that you've not started having all those viral videos like 20k views, 30k views, 60k views that can fetch you watch hour fast, yes, or your content are not all that engaging, because some people here on YouTube, their videos only have like 0.50 watch duration. So people, if they're lucky enough, they have, people tend to watch that video for like 3 minutes. And you know, you by yourself calculate the watch hour, you'll be able to understand what I'm saying. So if you know that you are not having those viral videos that people will watch and your watch hours will locate you fast, it's advisable to start this thing now, what I just explained to you. Start it. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, if there is any watch hour you want me to calculate for you, please drop it in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe. Yes, subscribe so that anytime I bring this good news, you'll be the first person to get notified. See you in my next video. Lastly, you know I will always do so. I love you.